Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress and Press. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the Mira's outfit I'm going to create. And first of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one from the Matoka set. You're going to make it this color and make it stiff and remove the bangs and the bows. And this hairstyle, make it only bangs, make it pink. And then this one as well, make it no bangs, and then you're going to make it pink. And then put on this necklace, make it black, and this necklace, make it black and gold. And this microphone for the accessory. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this jacket, and then I'm going to make it white for the first selection and make it gold for the second selection, and for the texture, make it glitter. Okay, and let's move to the third selection. I'm going to make it gold as well, and for the fourth selection, make it gold, and then we're going to make it glitter. Alright, and then at the next one, put on this belt, and then just leave it like that. And then I'm going to put on this top. We're going to make it black, and then I'm going to go to this shoes area and put on this boot. Okay, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to go to this area, put on this short jeans and make it black. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item. Wait guys, okay, and for the color, you're going to apply this color, and then you're going to put on this skirt, make it white, and then this one as well, make it white. Alright, done. And then I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from the dressing room, I'm going to go to the kids item and put on this dress, make it top only, and you're going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection, you're going to make it gold. Alright, and now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Mira with this look from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!